Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lin, and today's video is some random unboxing and trial. We got this new rubber gloves, and I have new pair of shoes, and also some Nearl'S yard products to show you. First of all, new pair of shoes. Yes, why? So random. Because maybe you guys know I was doing my running training with Couch to 5K. At the beginning of the training, I set up myself the goal. When I finish the training, I will buy myself a new pair of shoes as a reward. And I was so happy I finished finally for 9 weeks, but I took 4 months. And even though now I can officially call myself a runner because I can run now. I can run half an hour without stopping, covering about 4-kilometer distance. So I went to the shop and bought myself a new pair of shoes the other day, and I am really excited. My new pair of shoes. It is a Puma. To be honest, I don't care about brand, only because I walk past JD Sports and they are on sale, and I want a pair of white trainers for a while, and pink is my color. It was on sale from £60 to £25. So I bought this to replace my very, very old pair of old shoes I've been wearing, which is Superga, and this pair of shoes can go now. Say bye bye to the old one, and welcome to my new shoes. This is the last run for the 9 weeks I've done. I'm so happy and proud of myself. Maybe I don't look like, because pretty much really breathless. However, I'm really happy. I've done 30 minutes run 3 times, and this is the end of the 9-week Coach to 5K with NHS app. Please use it. It's really good. Highly recommended. Second is this. The reason I want to do a video of this, and I have asked my husband's permission. He is super duper supporting me on using the natural products for sustainable living. So when his global gloves run out, he was looking for alternative, and he found one. And when this box arrived, I was kind of shocked. I said, how many gloves do you need to wear? How many hands do you have? I don't know, it's like 100 pairs of gloves. Anyway, I think we can just unboxing them, and they actually gloves doesn't take much space, but I really want to say thank you to him for supporting me the idea, not using the plastic rubber gloves, and it's called Eco Living Rubber Gloves Natural Latex. To be honest, I don't know what's the difference. Are they be able to compostable at the end of the life? Let's see what it says here. It says reusable natural latex gloves, ideal for household cleaning, wash dishes, or protecting your hands from household cleaning agents. The texture pattern on the fingertips and palms allows a better grip. The latex can cause allergic reaction. And it said 100% vegan, made from plants, plastic-free, reusable. I'm not sure what does it mean by reusable. When you finish it's broken, how can you use it again? Renewable and sustainable, biodegradable and compostable. So I suppose when it's the end of the life of these gloves, we can just chuck in the compost bin, or it would eventually compost, which I hope. Have you seen anyone so excited about a pair of gloves before? And it's actually green color. Look, some people believe that, but it's green. It's a color I like. Next, Neal's Yard. So my friend Sima Elaine told me I have some credit left when I was buying products from her. I was so shocked, like I have like so much money there for the credit. I think it's like the first buying discount, have like 25% off. And she was asking if I want the money back to my account or I can use it to buy more products, which it was on sale at the time. To be honest, I wasn't sure if I need more products, but now I thought 0.5%. I know, probably I shouldn't bought it, but I bought it anyway. So let's see what we have here. I have got ginger turmeric fried up tea. Actually, I have tried this already. It does actually, I don't know if it's a tea because I start drinking it in the evening sometimes, actually make me sleep quite well. It might not be a tea, just the hot water. The tea bags I have read before, it is 100% compostable, which is really good. And it just smells really nice. It's turmeric and ginger. I really don't mind ginger. I like ginger myself. It has also got, so the ingredients are dried turmeric root, which is 27%, dried ginger root, 22%, dried cassia bark, I have no idea what it is, dried licorice root. I have to Google this because it smells really sweet. I think it is the licorice root, and when I Googled it, it is in Chinese called gan chao, means sweet, sweet grass, and we do use this one, the dried licorice root, in north of Chinese medication, or if you have sore throat or you feel like mouth a bit dry and throat a bit dry, that's the one we would all normally use, and we can just put the dried licorice root in the hot water and drink it. Maybe that's why I really like that fragrance. It's a little bit sweet. Okay. Next, I've got rejuvenating frankincense face wash. Don't ask me why I need another face wash. Just got one face. But you always need face wash, do you? Because you always need to wash face. Anyway, I'll give it a try and tell you guys how it is. And also I have rose pomegranate foaming bath. Not sure. Oh, smells like some medication now. I can't really smell rose or pomegranate seed oil, and maybe that's patchouli central oil. Maybe that's the oil smelling. Smells quite strong herbal smell, to be honest. Good bottle of bath. Bubble bath, always handy. And the last one is hand wash. Is the Defend and Protect hand wash. It is come in a plastic bag, only the hand wash. I will not gonna throw away the bottle. I will reuse it anyway myself. I just put liquid soap if I get around to make it, and I will use the plastic. I think that's all the products today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe me down below. Have a good day. Bye bye.